Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of May. So when this goes up, I know May will be almost over, but it's still May. So this month we got a glittery pink. It's like pink, but then there's like colored reflex. And it loses a little bit of glitter, but for the most part it sticks, so you're not like getting glitter everywhere, which is nice. So yeah, like, I mean, I have a few specks of glitter, but nothing major. But I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into these products. Alright, so the first thing I have, which this actually I used points for, is the red cherry eyelashes. These are in Chloe. They're just a sort of wispy yet full false lash, because I've gotten into lashes because I'm actually wearing lashes right now. Yeah, since I've been on my break, I've gotten into lashes. So, but yeah. So that's the first thing, but that's something I use my points for and not something I actually got. Alright. This just has a thing about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then it has my 5 products, which I like that they include this now, but then I don't want to open it before I do my bag, because then I know what's in it. So, alright, so the first thing I have is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with Super Volcanic Clusters. It looks like this. Unscrew the top. It's one of those gray masks. It doesn't smell like anything, but I was surprised that there wasn't a like safety seal on this. I mean, I know it comes straight from Ipsy, but I was just surprised because a lot of things that they said normally have safety seals, so I was kind of surprised that one didn't have one. Alright. The next product is this Gardenia hand cream. I hope it doesn't smell like gardenias. I mean, or I really hope it's not floral at all, because if it's, I can't. Yeah, it's floral. I'm absolutely not a fan of floral scents. I mean, it moisturizes really nicely, so had it been a non-floral scent, I would have loved this, but I can't do floral scents. And I even the scents on Ipsy, which I know are more for perfume, I do not have floral clicked. So I would, like, had they looked at the whole thing, I would have not thought to send me floral when I don't have floral scents clicked. Alright, and the next thing I got is this Shining Miss Glam SS57 brush, and it is a little blender brush, and I like the handle that it has like glitter in it, and it has 2 little rhinestones like normal. I think though that that's kind of their thing. So I got this one in another Ipsy bag, and it's the same way, except this one's just rose gold and this is just a shader brush. But yeah, it's very similar, so I'm wondering if this is maybe their new style, because they used to all be like a wood handle that was colored. Well, the last 2 I've gotten that are Shining Miss Glam are this clear with glitter in them, which I like these better. Yeah, because I have another one, which is another shader brush, and it's silver with glitter. Yeah, I prefer the glitter ones over the wood handles. Alright, and the next product is Sardina Sand Bronzer, and this is by the brand Beauty Crop. If I can get it open. It's not too warm and it's not too pigmented either, so I did 2 layers to get this, and it's warm, but I don't think it's too warm for my skin, so I think I'll actually be able to use that, but we'll see. And the final thing in my Ipsy bag is this I always want to say Huda Booty and not Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty lip strobe, and this is in the shade Enchanting, and it looks like white with like a pink reflect. So yeah, so it's white, but then if I look at it without any light on it, it's pink. So like, just on camera, it just looks like a white, clear lip gloss. But if I look at it this way, it is pink. I can't get it to reflect pink, but I promise there's also a pink reflect to it. But yeah, that is everything for this month's Ipsy bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.